In a minute, I'ma need a sentimental man or woman to pump me up. Feeling fussy walking in my Balenciagas, trying to bring out the fabulous.
You have a life, which I'm going to take unless the Flash gives me what I need. You won't be able to.
Master's my friend. You don't have any friends. Nobody likes you. Not listening. Not listening.
I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons.
I am Optimus Prime, and I send this message to any surviving Autobots taking refuge among the stars. We are here. We are waiting.
I'm Batman. And I'm secretly in love with Superman.